This is a 5-month-old garden in Central Florida. Everything you're seeing here was planted in March of 2025, and it is now July of 2025. Previously, this area was all grass, and I did have a boxwood hedge that went from the middle of the driveway to the side of the house. Louis Philippe, and this was purchased in a local nursery, and it is an own root rose. This is Tranquility rose tree, a rose standard. And then behind it is Over the Edge rose standard. That's a 24-inch tree. And the Tranquility is a 36-inch tree from David Austin. And Tranquility is a Jackson Perkins. And I have both of them in huge pots. Tranquility is almost 4 months old, and the Jackson and Perkins one is about a month old. This is an unknown rose that I have in the garden, and it was purchased from Nelson's Roses in Central Florida on Fortuniana rootstock, but it did not have a name ticket. And it's one of my favorites. It's really robust. It does have a lot of thorns on the stems, but it has thrown out within 4 months, it's only 4 months old, a lot of new thick, really thick, hardy canes. And it has bloomed non-stop. And right now this is July, and I have a really beautiful show here, especially for July in Central Florida. This is Over the Edge, a rose standard from Jackson and Perkins. And this was a 24-inch rose standard, which I really think is quite beautiful. And I would buy the 24-inch rose standards again. I have 36 and they are really tall, especially when you plant them in a pot. And these little 24 inches are beautiful. And I think they're easier to take care of because they're smaller. They're a lot shorter. And I think it's going to be easier during hurricanes to take care of them, to protect them. Here is, I'll show you Tranquility. And the Tranquility is huge, right there in the middle. Compared to this one. Of course, the Jackson and Perkins one is only a few months old. And here's the garden at the end of July. Hope you enjoyed the little garden tour for July in Central Florida. And this is Zone 9A, Zone 9B. I'm in between both. I'm right on the border. For more garden updates, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button